In this video, we're going to show you how to auto-tag and score leads based on form answers, allowing you to streamline your lead management and boost your conversions. If you've been searching for a quick and easy way to do this, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up and start automating your lead scoring process. So let's get right into it. First off, when a lead fills out a form on your website, whether it's a contact form, a survey, or a sign-up page, you likely want to know what actions they're interested in or how valuable they are as a potential customer. This is where auto-tagging and lead scoring comes into play. Instead of manually sorting through forms, you can automate the process and make sure you're responding to the hottest leads first. Step 1 is setting up your form with the right fields. Make sure your form asks the right questions, things like their budget, the product or service they're interested in, or even their timeline for purchasing. These answers will help you assign tags and scores later. The more specific you get, the better. Once the form is set up, head to your software. The software we're using today allows you to easily create tags based on the answers your leads provide. For instance, if someone selects a high budget, you can automatically tag them as a high value lead. If they indicate they're looking to purchase soon, you could tag them with something like ready to buy. The more personalized you make these tags, the better you can segment and target your audience down the road. Next, we'll set up lead scoring. Lead scoring works by assigning points based on the form answers. You'll score higher for things like urgency, budget, or interest level. For example, if a lead answers that they're looking for a solution with a big budget and an urgent timeline, you might want to assign them 50 points. This will help prioritize which leads to follow up with first and who might be most likely to convert. Now let's set this up in the software. Go to the automation section of your platform and create a new rule or workflow. You can use conditions like if the lead selects high budget, assign 50 points, or if they select ready to purchase, tag them as hot lead. Most software allows you to create these rules with a few clicks, making the process quick and seamless. Once everything is set up, your leads will automatically be tagged and scored based on their form answers. This means no more manually sorting through hundreds of form submissions. Your software will handle it for you. Before we wrap up, remember that the software we're using today has a powerful free trial exclusive to viewers of this channel. If you want to follow along with the tutorial or explore other automation features, you can get that free trial by clicking the link in the description below. To recap, start by setting up your form with the right questions. Then, create tags for different lead characteristics. After that, set up lead scoring based on those characteristics to prioritize high-value leads. Finally, automate the process to tag and score leads as they come in. Key takeaway: auto-tagging and lead scoring based on form answers saves you time and helps you focus on the leads that are most likely to convert. If you haven't set this up yet, now is the time to do it. And don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to start automating your lead management today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.